everyone's face.
And I messaged Brody because I took a screenshot of it.
Pabu, you'll fall down again.
I mean, it seems like she kind of learned a lot from her experience. I still, I know you say she sounded like it probably wasn't unless we She's completely plucked for a long time, and then I was home for 3 days straight, and she's seen me being at work too much.
Yeah.
That's causing it, which is sad. But
well, that's what I was saying to Brody on the way through.
You're so pretty.
she immediately stopped as soon as I was home. So
You got a necklace on. Oh, pretty necklace. She's still stunning.
she is gorgeous, actually.
With her blue eyeliner.
And she's like,
We
you
were
know,
talking
she's
about how
happy.
the female eclectuses are beautiful. Like,
Yep, we should
doing
probably
my-
do that soon.
like I'm starting to freak
Should we
out.
do it now?
Yeah.
Kevin's over here, Pabu. Oh, they're all in that tree. Pap. Kevin. Yeah, hey, look, Kevin's there.
Oh my god!
It's Kev. Look, the best friend.
It's alright, I opened it. I got it. Yeah. I just wanted him to actually. Kevin!
Kevin.
Yeah, I just wanted
Kevin.
Kevin! What are you screaming at? Oh, Panda!
I'm so proud of you.
Panda's in that tree. Windy! It's windy! Look at your beard.
I was a bit worried that you'd, kind of let
So
the
what had
training go.
happened, the reason why I went, what he's ready is I had a flight day with Brody actually at our nearby park that we go to.
Like Aslan wasn't ready for so long. I started his training. I probably did with him for like 6 months. And I was just like, this is going nowhere.
Yeah.
Good boy. Pab. Pab. Wow, Pab. You're flying in the rain. Oh, don't scream in my ear. No, Pab. Candy Warrior. That's so cute. You're so cute.
It's a big cage. Well, I like them being outside, but I haven't had anything for them to be in, so I've put them in a travel cage in the outside, in one of these cages for now. Like, it's way too small and I don't like that.
Sarah.
So I've snake-proofed Bumi's indoor cage because it's big enough for them.
Gonna poke your fat.
So they have,
They're all outdoors now.
that's awesome. It's really good for them to have outdoors time.
I
They
don't
get so
really
much
want
more
them
mental
out.
stimulation. I don't like keeping birds inside during the day. Like, they have nothing to do, it's a static environment.
And it's
like in and out of the aviary.
Pad. Let's try again. We'll go to the pomegranate very slowly.
you're
So,
fat.
do you guys reckon just ignore the behaviour and hope it goes away eventually?
Oh, I'm ignoring it. He's so scared of
This
it.
is why Bumi
Quick,
doesn't
he's
like
gonna
you,
bite.
Pabu.
It was the cutest panic. Everyone was just like, ah!
Yeah, but he beat